remember the first time I went here, that was like 2 years ago, and it was also like this weather. It was raining so bad and there's nowhere to go. That's why we usually come here, just to, you know, drive around, because it's like 30 minutes, 45 minutes drive from the city proper, or where we live in Hinze. This one is in the mountains. It's a bit of a drive. That's their cafe if you want to have lunch here, or just, you know, coffee. Hello mates, it's me again, Donna Bliss. It's been raining for 3 consecutive days now, and it's and we've got lots of floods here, especially in Brisbane and Gold Coast area. So this one here is Hinze Dam. There's a lot of water. To the other observation deck area. They're one level down. This is going down the lower level, guys, from the cafe. We're just gonna see what's the view from here. This is actually a good drive, you know, when there's lockdown. We didn't come here during lockdown, but it will be nice, you know. There's something to see, somewhere to go, outdoors, you know what I mean?
He's just sunning himself, Bubba.
Oh, okay, so it's dead.
This is the first time the sun's been out 4 days, Bubba.
Oh, okay. It's just trying to have...
Dry his feathers and everything.
Ah, I thought he's dead.
So he'll get very sick if they don't dry their feathers, Bubba.
February 28th, 6:47 a.m. It was actually higher 30 minutes before. Hi, baby. Bush turkey. Hey, this is a different kind of bird. Just got a weird beak. What the bird is. You enjoyed our vlog for today. The 3 kangaroos, 1, 2, and 3. And we'll see you on our next vlog. Mwah. Keep safe, everyone. All from Brisbane and Gold Coast people.